Greetings, this is TimeRider with a late week secret restoration. I didn't tell anybody that I was doing this one. But anyway, over the past year, my wee little channel has gone through many changes, and my effort has always been to put forth a video that is watchable. That being said, I do want to keep things fresh. I couldn't think of anything more boring than watching me do the same thing over and over again, week in, week out, while I drone on about it. Even Marty, who is really a true restoration guy, understood that the branding of his channel was needed more than just him doing the same thing over and over again, week in and week out. He introduced many things like comedy and Kevin the Koala, to keep his channel entertaining and watchable, so it's not, my aspiration alone. Occasionally, I do what I call a 2-minute restoration. I do these videos for a couple of reasons. One, this hobby takes time, and I do have a life in addition to wee little cars. Please remember that I have not monetized. I do this for the joy of it and for no other reason. The 2-minute restos are quick and easy for me to do, and they allow me to add relevant content that is hopefully interesting. I generally stick to simpler, problem-free restorations like Tootsie Toys and Midge Toys, and sometimes even the occasional Matchbox, like this one today. So there you have it. The Matchbox number 72B Jeep. I don't think they ever called it the CJ5. I did that for the purposes of the video because it's a CJ5. But anyway, it was introduced into the Matchbox line in 1966. It was converted to Superfast in 1970, and it came in yellow and dull yellow. I guess Fred the paint guy took some time off, and his brother Daryl, or maybe his other brother Daryl, took care of the paint for a time. In an edition of The Bench following this video, I'll be talking a bit about an upcoming cancer awareness build, so stick around if that kind of thing is of interest of you. Hey, playing it fast and loose on a Friday with TimeRider. I'll be sure to leave the light on for you. So, thanks for sticking around. This will be a special edition of The Bench. You may or may not know that October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and one of the newer diecast guys, Diecast Outcast, has called out for others to paint something pink. I know my partners from the Three Blind Mice are also participating. It doesn't matter what you do, so long as you paint it pink. So far, the response has been overwhelming. Look for the videos from all these wonderful builders on October 12th. As for me, well, everybody likes to schmaltz these things up, and I decided to keep it simple. And I'm going to be doing a quasi-resto mod on this Matchbox Cadillac. You may recognize it as the number 27C Cadillac 60 Special. I'm going to file off these casting lines like I do when I do customs, and I'm going to do a resto mod because I'm a big fan of the boss, Bruce Springsteen. So we're going to do this pink Cadillac. And then I got to thinking about it, and I thought, I'm going to auction this thing off on eBay. And along with the casting, I'm going to include some wee little cars paraphernalia. And I also decided that I'm going to do one casting a month that I auction off, and the proceeds will go to the American Cancer Society. So this month it's going to be the pink Cadillac. It'll be coming out on October 12th. I'll share a little secret with you. I already did it. It's done. I love it. It looks great. Looks like a vintage Matchbox pink Cadillac. I think you guys will love it. So anyway, that being said, this is TimeRider, and I hope everybody has a great weekend, and look for that doggone Rolls Royce video tomorrow, because it will be there.